Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the return of Single Swag. I haven't unboxed one of these boxes for a long while, possibly a few years, and I saw that they had a special edition Valentine's mystery edit and I had to get it. It's based in the US and they ship worldwide, and shipping costs are not too bad actually, and no custom fees or anything, and they ship pretty quickly. I only ordered this last week and it came today. If you've never heard of Single Swag before, it's a US monthly subscription, but they also do limited edition boxes as well. So if you want to learn a little bit about this subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside their Valentine's mystery box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Single Swag, on the website, they say it's a fun, stylish monthly surprise for amazing single women. As well as this subscription, you're able to purchase past boxes and also lots of different mystery boxes. Plus they have some beauty treats that you can purchase as well. So the subscription then, they've got two. You've got the main subscription, which contains 7 to 8 full-size items and has a value of around $200. A monthly subscription would cost you $49.99. That is £39.23 if you're in the UK, or €45.86 if you're in Europe. Now shipping is free within the US, but if you live outside of the US, then it's calculated at checkout. But to the UK, shipping is $19.99, which works out to be around £15. So if you were to opt for the monthly subscription, with shipping on top, it'll come to £54.92. Now they do have a petite Single Swag, which is a smaller version, and that contains 4 to 5 full-size items and has a minimum value of $120. They also offer a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription at a reduced cost. Every box will contain organic beauty, some fashion items, some accessories, some stationery, books, sweet treats, and some surprises as well. If you're a first-time subscriber, then as soon as you click on the website, a pop-up will come up, so you're able to get like 30% off your first box, or even 40%, which is what I've previously done in the past. But if not, and you really want to try a box, then I will try and seek out some codes for you to see if there's any available, and if I find any, I'll pop it down in my description. So going on to the Valentine's box then that I bought. So the Valentine's edit is a limited edition mystery box. No one knows what's inside it. It costs $75 and has a $500 value, and inside will contain 20 plus items. Now shipping is a little bit more expensive because the amount of products inside. To the UK, for instance, shipping was $34.99. Now I managed to get 30% off with code HEART, and with shipping and the box it came to $79.99, and in UK money that cost me £62.94, which I thought wasn't too bad, and all the products are full size. It's still available on their website. Because it's a mystery box, you may get different products to me, so there is a gamble, but as I mentioned earlier in this video, if you'd skip forward, as well as this subscription and the Valentine's edit, they have past boxes on their website and they have other mystery boxes. So yeah, there's a good selection on there. So you'll find all details to the website and this box down below in my description, and if I can find any other codes that work towards a subscription, and if Heart doesn't work for the Valentine's, if I can find another code, because there's always codes flying around with Single Swag, which is really great, I'll pop it down below, so you're welcome to take a look. Plus you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other website down there. So yeah, so I think that's it. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But yeah, I love the fact that it just came super quick and no customs charges whatsoever. I have had a little sneak peek, I couldn't resist, but I haven't rummaged through. I've just had a look at the top then. It literally came when I started filming my previous video that I filmed. So yeah, it came at the right time. There's loads of things in there. There is loads. Okay, let's start off with a cool satin pillow sleeves. Sleeves. For hair and skin health, set of 2 sleeves. Pillowcases, I'm assuming. So it says pillowcases on the packaging there. I've got a silk Esper pillowcase, which my husband put in the washing machine. Oh my gosh. You're supposed to hand wash it in cool water. You put it in the washing machine. Didn't realise. And yeah, it's okay. It hasn't shrunk or anything, but it doesn't look as nice anymore. For the last month or so, I've been using satin pillowcases and my silk pillowcase because I just find that it's better for my hair. My hair is really thin and fine, and it gets knotty at night, and yeah, it's better for your skin as well. So I've got here, are they both the same? They're both the same. So my husband can have one now as well. So they're white and they've just got silver on the end there. So I've got 2 satin pillowcases. I've got a little makeup pouch. This is by Sienna May. Now, being in the UK, I don't know what these brands are. So if you're watching from the US, then please let me know your thoughts on these products. Nice little handy bag there. Makeup bag. I've got Fiona Rachel, a Youth Defying Glow Anti-Aging Sculpting Cream. Quick absorbing hydrating moisturiser, delivers intense moisture and hydration for firm and glowing skin. This anti-aging cream minimises the look of wrinkles and fine lines for smoother looking skin. It's suitable for sensitive skins as well. I don't think I've heard of this brand before. I don't know. I can't remember the type of products I got now in previous single swag boxes. Oh, it smells lovely. It's just natural. No perfume. Oh, yeah. Feels like a really nice body cream. It has got a very slight perfume smell to it. It smells really lovely, but it's not strong. It's got a Youth Defying Glow face cream. I've got B-Babe, I think it is, under eye mask with activated collagen and gold. Oh, there's loads of them. So there's 5 individual packets there. So the little under eye gels there. It's an award-winning US brand. So yeah, this is what I love about getting boxes from different countries. I get introduced to different brands. Oh, what is this? This is a candle. This is a candle. I think it is. And this is Sunset Park. I'm assuming that's the brand. Yeah. Yeah, look. That is very subtle. It's like a very subtle smoky vanilla. Yeah, I'm going to have to burn it and see. But love the little pop though. Next I've got some socks. These are Sweet Feet design. And these are really small. I've got ginormous feet. Well, they're wide, but they're also size UK 8 as well, and they won't fit me. So I'll give those to my daughter. She's a UK 6, and they will fit her fine. They feel really nice and soft though. So yeah, she will love them, no doubt. Okay, something familiar. We get these a lot in our UK beauty boxes. This is Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. So it's a body scrubber. So you've got one side which is quite rough, and then you've got the other which is a little bit smoother. Really handy when it comes to fake tanning my body, which I don't do that often in the winter time. I might like have a tanning spray for my face and just do like what you can see of my skin. Generally, I leave the rest of my body be until I start showing more skin in the summer months. Sweet Pea Brightening Under Eye Priming Gel, and this is by the brand Peony. I have just actually filmed a video which will go up tomorrow night, and in there I've got a brand new Huda Beauty faux filter colour corrector, a brightening. Oh, it feels nice. I thought it might have a shade to it, but it doesn't. Tackle puffiness, fine lines and signs of fatigue with this cooling under eye gel formulated with Gotu Cola, sweet pea extract and marine algae. It's a cooling under eye gel. That'd be nice actually to pop in the fridge and use it straight from the fridge. Then I've got Luxe Beauty. This is Lip Decadence. It's a lip mask. I love lip masks, especially Laneige lip masks. Oh my gosh, they've got a new one out. Is it Pink Lemonade? Something lemonade anyway. And I'm like, shall I, shan't I? But I've got a few of them. And you only need a tiny bit. I wear them when I go to bed at night. You only need a tiny bit, so they last forever. Lip Decadence lip mask contains emollients to give dry lips a little hydration and vitamins to aid in the appearance of softer, smoother looking lips. It just says to apply at night and to remove whatever's left in the morning. There's no smell. I don't think so anyway. Oh, there's a tiny pot. These tiny pots are a bit of a nightmare for me to get my nails in there. But I've got plenty of little scoops from the Laneige. No, it's scentless. a lip mask from Nux, is it? Nux Beauty. We've got Goddess by Manika Dar, and this is Moroccan Argan Oil Conditioning Spray, 120 mils. Now this brand is a familiar brand. We used to get a lot of Manika Dar products back in 2017, 2018. It looked fantastic in Glossy Box and other subscriptions like that. But yeah, I haven't seen them for a long while. So Moroccan Oil Conditioning Spray is a lightweight Moroccan and argan oil conditioning spray, adds hydration and shine to your hair routine. Okay, if any of you have tried this before, please let me know what you think of it, especially if you've got really thin, fine hair, because I'm really fussy when it comes to oils for my hair. If I apply just a little bit too much, then my hair goes into like hanging strands and looks awful. But I'll give it a go, just a light spray, just to see, you know, if I think, wow, this is amazing, because I've got really dry hair. It's not great. There's loads of stuff in here. There's loads. Next up, we got Fiore Collection, if I'm saying that right. It's Cherry Blossom Hand Cream. 75 mils. There. Put it on top of the, what else did I have? It's a moisturiser, isn't it? Oh, it's a very subtle smell. Feels nice in my hands. And not a really strong cherry smell. Cherry Blossom hand cream. What is this? Ooh, it's got rose. Natural rose and geranium facial oil. Okay, this is by Professor Herb. Stimulates the production of skin collagen that brings smoothness and elasticity to the skin. Transforms dull, dehydrated complexions and leaves the skin beautifully radiant. Never heard of this before. Natural rose damask senna flower oil is the perfect ingredient to tackle dry and dull and dead skin. Hydrate and revive your skin. So there. It says to apply 2 to 5 drops to your face as you normally would with a facial oil. Let's see how strongly rose smelling is. No, I can't smell rose at all. I'd say the hand cream smelled more rosy than what this does. It says here, made in England. How come I've never heard of it before? Professor Herb. Have you not heard of this brand? No. Eucalyptus and jasmine, a pillow mist. And this is from Luxe Beauty. So it's from the same brand, but we've got a pillow spray here. Nice packaging. So eucalyptus and jasmine. Everything I'm smelling is very subtle. Is it just... In the UK, everything is just stinky, you know, really powerful scented stuff that we receive. Everything in this box, from the candles to the skincare. Skincare is obviously, you know, a lot of it is fragrance free anyway, but it's a very subtle smell. Yeah, weird. Eucalyptus and jasmine. There's not much there at all. I've got Empower Her Beauty, a foot lotion. There. See if this smells. It just smells of a really nice cream. Natural cream. Yeah, it's a really nice, fresh, sort of just come out of a shower smell, you know? Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. But yeah, that's for your feet. Molly Jacob. This is a rose quartz grapefruit essential oil with healing stones. Oh, okay. We've never had one of these before. So it's an oil. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at that. I love rose quartz. Can you see the rose quartz? Really cool. Rose quartz is the love stone. Provides balance, harmony, attraction, confidence and well-being. The healing stones promote compassion, reduces emotional stress, inspire confidence, stimulate creativity and imagination. Roll or swipe on your wrists, temple, neck or behind the ears. Again, it's not overpowering, it's very subtle. Maybe there's something wrong with my nose. Maybe I'm just like, I'm not picking up the smells tonight. I can smell the grapefruit and it is lovely, really nice and refreshing, but I can also smell the oil as well. I love the fact that it's got rose quartz stones in there. That was really cool. Oh, then I've got, what's this? Cella. I think it's Cella. It's a dual liquid eyeliner in pearl. And, oh, we got blue and grey. Liquid eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliners with different colours. I'll just open it. Okay, because I've got creams and stuff, I'll try here. So this is the blue. They've both got like a sparkle to them. That is really, really pigmented. But the blue is quite dry. See, not a lot is coming out. If any, is it? Maybe it needs a good old shake to get the ink go in there. That's a shame. How weird is that? One is really liquidy and the other one is dried up. But I love that black one though. That is really pretty. So there's that all grey. Oh, I got some jewellery. Indigo Authority. That's the brand. What's it going to be? Oh, it's gold. Okay. I prefer silver, but I do wear gold as well. Sometimes. I don't like this. I don't like it. The earrings are not too bad. It's just, yeah, the necklace isn't for me, unfortunately. I'll see if my daughter might be interested. I don't know. But the gold colour is nice. Just not for me, unfortunately. Got it. But it is a mystery box. Oh, I got one of these. I like these. This is a Spongelli. Spongelli. And it's Apple Blossom. It's a multi-use cleanse, exfoliate, massage and nourish. It's a body wash infuse buffer. And these are gorgeous. It's a sponge, as you can tell, but it has a body wash inside. So when you wet it, you use it and you clean your body and you can use it numerous times. Oh, I can smell through that. That was lovely. Oh, I like these. I really like these. Yeah, happy with that. Love handle. Get a handle on the device you love. Oh, I see. Okay. I'll show you what it looks like first. There. So you put it on your phone, on the back of your phone. Yeah, that's quite handy. I do like a handle. Where's mine gone? That's the back of my phone. I do like one of these, see, because I like when I'm taking photographs, I'm walking around, I like to hold my phone really, really tight so it can't slip out my hand. So I do like having one of these. Yeah, I'm not sure if I would actually use this though. I think my one is a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. But maybe one of the kids might want it. So I've got a love handle. And then lastly, I've got a book. 52 lists for bravery. Journal and inspiration for courage, resilience and inner strength by Moore CCR. I love things like this. Unlock courage, self-love and confidence through the empowering practice of list making. I'm obsessed with lists. Oh my gosh. Dream the life you want. Dedicate yourself to pursuing it. So manifest everything I want and discover your own resilience as you create 52 lists, one of each week of the year in this undated journal. Okay, right, I'm going to Iceland in March and on my phone I've got, like in the notes section, I've got pages. Literally pages of information. So it's not lists like that, it's lists to get you to actually list things down. So for instance, list number 11, list the fictional heroes you admire. List number 9, list what you need in your life right now. It's got a hierarchy of needs there. Self-fulfillment, psychology and basic needs. Oh, it says down here, yeah, the hierarchy of needs above. What is the one thing you really need more now? I've got a degree in counselling, so I've done stuff like this before and I love it. I do love it. List the things you once dreamt of having in your life that you do have now. Okay, yeah, I'm really, really happy and I'm definitely going to fill it in. It's beautiful as well. I do like the design. And there you go. Those are all the products. Limited edition, single swag, Valentine's edit. Converted to UK pounds, it was around £63 including shipping, and I had 30% off as well. There's around 20 items inside that have a value of $500. Yeah, there's some things that I think, okay, really baffled with the lack of scent in a lot of the items that are supposed to be smelly. But yeah, there's some things that really excite me and some things that I think, oh, okay, so I might pass on, like the necklace set and things like that. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this mystery box? Are you going to get one for yourself? Or are you thinking maybe, oh, you're going to look at the subscription? Or are you thinking, Claire, no, single swag, don't bother, not worth it? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.